Let's see how to create a post on Instagram. So first, on your Instagram home feed, you will see a plus button at the top. If you tap on it, you can quickly choose photos and upload them from here. And you can only post up to 10 photos at a time. So now to get more features and better control, go back from here and open up your profile. Now tap the plus button on your profile and you will see multiple options. If you want to upload a post, select a post. And from here, you also get options like story, highlights. I'm going with the post option. And now from this page, you can select a single photo and share it directly from here. But if you want to post multiple photos, tap on select button. And now you can choose up to 20 photos or videos at once. So once you're done selecting, tap next and you will see a preview of all of the photo you are about to upload. So from here, you can edit each photo one by one by tapping on it. You can also rearrange photos, apply filters, and use other editing options. And from here, you can even add music to your post directly from here. So when everything looks good, tap next again. And now on this page, you can add a caption, give a poll with option, tag people, add a location, then choose your audience. And if your Facebook account is already linked, you can also share this post on your Facebook. And under more option, you will find features like add a reminder, schedule your posts, turn off comments, and other advanced settings that you can control from here. So just select the option you need, and when you're okay, just go back and tap on post. So once the post is uploaded, go to your profile and you will see it published successfully. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.